In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add rates in WP Travel Engine for 2025, following a step-by-step guide that's easy to understand. Whether you're setting up a new trip or updating an existing one, adding rates is crucial for efficiently managing your travel business. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your main control panel where you'll be managing all aspects of your website, including your travel engine settings. Ensure that you're using your administrator credentials to gain full access to all the features you'll need. Once you're logged in, navigate to the WP Travel Engine menu. You'll want to click on Trips and then either select Add New if you're creating a new listing or choose an existing trip you want to edit. This is where all the magic happens, where you'll manage the content, schedule, and pricing for your offerings. Now scroll down to the pricing/rates section. This is a dedicated area on your trips page where you can specify different pricing options based on a few key parameters. By understanding your demographics and what price points work best, you can optimize the section to attract a wide range of travelers. Next, click on Add Rate. Doing this allows you to set up a new pricing tier. Think of this as creating a menu of pricing options, giving your potential customers the flexibility to choose what suits them best. You'll want to be clear and concise in naming your rates to avoid any confusion later on. For your rate details, click into the respective fields. You'll start with the rate name. This could be something like adult, child, or even group, whatever categories make sense for your business. It's important that these names are intuitive so that users can easily identify which rate category applies to them. Now enter the price. This is the cost associated with each rate. Be clear and transparent with this amount so that potential customers know exactly what they're getting into. If applicable, you can also specify the number of people for this rate, which is an optional field that adds flexibility. This is particularly useful for agencies offering group discounts or specialized per-person pricing. Additionally, if you're running a special promotion or a discount, you can click into the Sale Discount Price field. Filling this out helps to highlight special pricing and can be a great tool to incentivize bookings. If you need to add multiple rates to a trip, simply repeat the process to include as many as necessary. This is great for trips that cater to varied audiences, allowing you to accommodate different needs and budgets. More options often translate to more bookings. Once you've set up all the rates, don't forget to